Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something different. I'm doing Kente inspired makeup look. Basically it's going to be on the eye look as well. As you can see, I've done my left eye already, so I'm going to do my right eye. And to start off with, I've already primed my eyes with my Eyeshadow concealer, and I set it with my Maybelline translucent powder. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Ada from the Juvia Lace palette, the shade, and I'm using a fluffy brush to just go in my crease area. So that will come off as the red. As you can see, there's a little bit wine in there, so I'm using that.
And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
Next off, you can see green and blue inside it. Green and blue inside it. So I'm going in with this shade from my Inglot palette, and I'm using my crease definer brush to just intensify the crease look over there.
But still, baby, don't die young. So tonight, just go all the way with me.
Next, I'm going in with this green shade right here. I'm using that as my outer V area, and I'm using my dome crease brush, placing it just right at the outer part of my eyes, blending it into my crease as I go.
I don't even mind your number 2. Tell me what you want, I want it too. But if you want to go, I understand why.
So now the next step to do is to cut my crease, and I'm going to use my Eyeshadow concealer in the shade Fawn to do that.
You know I got a special spot to help you remember me.
So I just did half of my eye. I just cut half of my eye, the crease. I just cut half of my lid. Then for my lid color, I'm going in with this yellow shade right here. As you can see, there's a bit of yellow here and then there's gold, but I decided to go for the yellow so that it will make much difference in it. And I'm using my large classic shader brush.
The guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone.
Lining my eyelids using my Blossom eyeliner.
Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go.
Mascara, I'm using my Zaron volumizing mascara.
Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way.
I'm setting my whole face using my caramel shade from my Maybelline Cosmetics.
Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone.
And I'm dusting off the big powder at the same time. I'm using my buffer brush from Colorboxcosmetics.
All the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me.
For blush, I'm going in with this shade right here.
Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me.
And for contour, I'm going in with my cacao shade from Maybelline Cosmetics. I'm setting all of this using my Loox Artistry Hydrating Rosewater. So for my waterline, I'm using this shade right here, which is called Zobo. I'm using that to shade my waterline under eye area.
My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run the amount, so run the amount.
Highlighter, I'm using my Colorboxcosmetics highlighting brush, and I'm going in with this shade right here as my highlighter today.
And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see She's bright like an electric bulb. So
okay guys,
everybody
so this is the finished look. I hope you like the way it turned out, and I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below if you want me to keep creating looks like this for you, and if it's easy for you, just comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video if you care. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight, just go all the way